In this video, I want to talk to new homeowners. So congratulations on just buying your first home. I want to share some 4 money-saving maintenance projects to take on really as soon as you move into the home. The first one is hopefully you had a home inspection done, and if that home inspection determined any leaks in the kitchen or bathroom, faucets, shower head, outdoor hose, etc., get those taken care of quickly. That water that's running is going to cost you money. So one quick way to save money is to stop all the leaks in your house. So addressing that early on is really important. Additionally, that water eventually can cause some damage, either to the siding of your house if you're talking about the hose bibs. If you're talking about kitchen, underneath the cabinets, you can damage the cabinet floors. So fix those leaks right away. The second one is to maintain the outside. Pay attention to your front and backyards. Make sure that you're monitoring the house when there's hard wind and rain. Trim tree branches so they're not overhanging your house or hitting the house. And you really don't want shrubs touching the house. That's a bridge for termites to get through to the wood in your house. So keep some space between the foliage and your home. So pay attention to that outside stuff. If you have older inefficient appliances, I would go through and replace those with Energy Star appliances. They don't have to be the highest end things, but you want to make sure they're Energy Star rated to save you money on use of those appliances. And then the final thing is get friendly with caulk. You want to seal all the gaps. Check all the windows and exterior doors for any kind of gap where it's going to make, here in Florida, the bigger issue is going to let heat in and your AC run more to keep your house cool. So caulk up all those gaps in your home, and if you follow these 4 tips, you will save yourself a lot of money upon first moving into your home. Good luck in your new home. If you do need any vendors or anyone to help you with these services, I do have a list of vetted vendors here in Polk County that do great work. I'd be happy to share them with you. As always, if you or someone you know is looking to buy or sell a home in Central Florida, please reach out to me. I would love to help. Remember, you can't miss with Chris, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love to have you on here for more great videos on the real estate market here in Polk County. Have a great day, everybody.